it's Reading Pips here, and today we're actually going to be, calculating pips. I know the name's Reading Pips, but today we're going to switch it up a little bit and actually, kind of figure out how it is that, we can use pips to our advantage. And before you start trading, this is one of those concepts that you need to know very well. Some people are under the misconception you need to be good at maths. You don't need to be good at maths to trade. This is as confusing as it gets, and by the end of this video, you'll actually understand that there's actually no maths involved, and I will actually show you a nice little shortcut how to get around any kind of number crunching. So we said earlier, obviously the pip, if you've not watched my previous session, please do go back and watch that, but the pip is obviously the fourth decimal place in. So this one obviously being your units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and obviously 10,000s. Now, the reason why you might want to kind of work out pips is, say if a market moved from here, from point A to say point B, and you wanted to figure out how far that market has actually traversed, how far it's actually moved, then this is where, knowing how to calculate pips comes in handy. Now, the formula is very simple. It's the top number, take away the bottom number, divided by 0.0001. Why is it 0.0001? Because remember, the fourth decimal place is the pip. So we need to divide it by that. So I'll show you what I mean by this. It doesn't matter what order you take it away from, so don't get too confused about this one. It's just understanding it's one number, take away the other one, divided by 0.0001, if that makes sense. So let's put this into action. Let's actually get the calculator up, and I'll show you how to do this one. So that being said, say if we have, what is this? 1.0536, 1.0536 minus 1.0465, which equals 0.0071, which right now this still looks like it's kind of complicated, right? But all you simply need to do is 0.0071 divided by 0.0001, and voila. We can see that that movement which happened right there is actually 71 pips. Nice and simple. Now, the same goes to speak, obviously, when you have, say, a number like so. When you actually have, when you actually have a number like this. So, say, for example, if we had, using just random numbers, for example, 145.25 minus 142.23 equals, so it's the same thing, top number take away the bottom number. The only difference we do now is we do divided by 0.01, and this will actually give our value in pips, so 302 pips if it was a Japanese yen pair. So you notice the only difference is that normal pairs you divide by 0.0001, and Japanese pairs you divide by 0.01. Apart from that, the formula stays exactly the same. Now right now you're probably saying, but I thought you said that trading, you didn't have to be good at maths, you didn't kind of really need to know any numbers. Well, chill, calm, I got you, we got this. So what you notice, actually, let's get rid of that. What you notice is trading platforms are actually very user friendly nowadays, and this is why trading, it's become so popular. It's become something that everyone can get involved in, because really your barriers of entry are low, and technology has just simplified this. Now, right now, we obviously we calculated this one earlier. See this little measurement tool here, and every trading platform, by some way or form, will have a measurement tool where you can literally just measure it. If you click this, and you start from where this line is, and you bring it up to where this line is, look at that. Bam. Pretty much the same value, 70.5 pips. I believe we had that calculated earlier to 71, if I'm not mistaken. So, it's just the same. If I was to really zoom in, obviously we could get that spot on. But you get the point. So, although I did show you that way of calculating it, it's always good to know, I guess, the long way. But the short way is you don't really need to know that. click the measurement tool, measure from point A to point B, and that's actually going to give you your value in pips, and that's all you need to know. So guys, I hope you have a great week. I look forward to seeing you on the next episode, and make life a journey.